Hey, here's a really quick run through of a VLookup. Basically, a VLookup has a few parts. The lookup value, what do you want to find the answer for? The table array, where do you want to look? The column index, how many columns over do you have to go in the table array to find what you want? And then the range lookup, basically if you pick false, you'll get an exact match. If you pick true, it'll approximate. I suggest just going for false or 0. So running through this really quickly, if we want to find the score for the select set of students, imagine if this was 1,000 students. You don't want to go through and manually find these. So if we wanted these 4 students, we'd write the following: equals VLookup, open parentheses. What do you want to find? So select val, because that's what we want to find. Go ahead and hit F4 3 times. That's good practice. It'll lock the cell so that if you move this formula over, which we're going to do just now, you wouldn't have to redo it. It's going to lock it here and it's going to go down the rows and not move over the columns. Then select the data set. So it's going to be the data set here, student names, all the way through to symbol. Hit F4 again. Now, how many columns do you want to go over? Well, we know the first one is the name, so that's 1. Score is 2. So go ahead and hit 2. And like I said, just select 0 at the end. 0, or you can type in false. Close parentheses, hit enter, and that's the answer there. And copy that down. And now we can do the exact same thing, but now if you go into the formula again, change that 2 over there, change it to 3, because now we're going to go 3 over. 1, 2, 3. And you can copy it down. And now you have your data for student scores and symbols, and that is a VLookup. Thanks, and see you soon.